Meet the Arduino entry-level Arduino kits for beginners used for building electronics projects. This kit completely revolutionized DIY electronics, making it possible for students, hobbyists, developers, learners, artists, and teenagers to create a vast array of projects which interact with people and the environment. A variety of components are included like LCD display, DC motor, 7-segment display, an LDR sensor, and many more. Beginners can learn the basics of Arduino programming, as well as the expert in programming. We provide PDF tutorials, IDE software, and video tutorials. This tutorial focused on introducing Arduino software and code to drive electronic devices, which is helpful for learning about Arduino programming. This kit includes everything you need to get started with electronics. It includes many activities, which will take you from knowing to utilizing electronics in the real world. This kit includes everything you need to get started with electronics using an Arduino and a lot of things that will take you from a beginner to an enthusiast.